How to sign up for a new HackerRank account. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to sign up for a new HackerRank account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is search for HackerRank on your web browser. You can do this on your app as well, or you can just open up your website on your phone. Now what you're gonna do is open up the first link that you see on the screen. It will take you to the official website and its URL is hackerrank.com. And you have two options right here. You can either sign up for a completely new account or you can request for a demo account. So if you want to practice coding or enhance your skills, then what you need to do is first sign up for a new account. If you already have an account, you can click on login to log into your account. I'm just going to click on sign up to create a new account. And here if you can select two options. So if you're here to hire tech talent, you can use this as a free trial, or if you're here to practice and prepare, you can choose this. Most of you will probably choose this, so I'm just going to choose the second option and then tap on create account. Now once you get to the login portal, you actually have different options here. You can either continue with Google, your LinkedIn account, or your GitHub account, and also you can continue with your Facebook. Then you can choose your preferred method, and here you'll just have to provide your full name and email address. Once you have done all of this and entered all of your information, you can create a new password right here. I suggest you use a different combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make your password strong. Then you'll just have to click on agree to HackerRank's terms and services and simply click on sign up. Now once you do that, your new HackerRank account will be created. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.